Hey everyone, welcome back to the second video on Next.js series. In this video, we'll see how to set up a Next.js project. In the last video, we saw all the theory that you need to start with Next.js. Now open the terminal at your root directory. Change the directory to desktop or whichever folder that you want to create your project in. Make a directory of the name of your choice. Change your directory to the directory you have created and type in code space period and click enter to open the folder in Visual Studio Code. You can also do it manually, but this is the way to do it on your command line. After opening the project folder in your Visual Studio Code, go to terminal, new terminal, and this would open a terminal at your project directory. Then go to a browser, click on Next.js and go to installation. In the installation you will find the command that you need to type into the terminal to create a Next.js project. Let's copy the command and paste it in the Visual Studio Code. Once you paste the command, you will be asked a bunch of questions that are already given in the documentation. The first question is, what is your project name? In this case, I'll be giving Next.js series. Then it asks for whether you want to use TypeScript, ESLint, Tailwind CSS. Then it asks whether you want a source folder or a directory. Now if you click yes, the app.js that we talked about in the last video will be created inside the source folder. But if you click no, then it will not be if the source directory will not be created. Only the app.js will be created directly in the Next.js series, the folder that I have created. Then it asks for whether you need an app router, which is recommended. App router provides all the folder based routing features that we talked about in the last video. Like for example, if you create home folder inside the source directory, automatically the home route is created. So all these features are under the app router. Then it asks whether you want to customize the default import alias. As you click yes for now, and then it would create a new project. It will take some time to download all the dependencies. Now let's also create a new project where we use the source directory. In the last project we did not use the source directory. In this project we'll try to use source directory and see what difference it does. Let's give yes to the source directory. Once it's downloaded, you will see in next demo you see a source directory and app and all the other folders inside it. So this is the difference when you give source directory. It is highly recommended you follow the source directory because it helps you collaborate with other developers. Let's run the project next demo by changing the directory to next demo and then running the command npm run dev. You can see in the dependencies the script has a script called dev which runs next dev, that is used to run the Next.js project on your local machine. So let's type npm run dev. It will run it on localhost 3000. You can see it on your browser now. This is the Next.js setup. We'll dig deep into the functionalities in the upcoming videos. Thank you.